Here we have a set of different individual plates that we would like to form a unique folded plate. We can create an additional plate by copying or by mirroring an existing one. Advanced provides dedicated tools to insert a chamfer at the corner of a plate, and it is easy to modify its size and its type in the associated properties dialog box. You can also insert additional corners to a plate, which provides access to additional grip points that you can use to modify the plate shape graphically. From there, you can use a dedicated tool available in the ribbon to merge the plates two at a time. The dialog box offers the possibility to specify the angle value and the justification between the plates. The angle value can be a positive or a negative value, depending on which side you would like to get the second merged plate. Once the folded plate is created, you can add any feature afterwards, like inserting a rectangular opening with the option to cut the entire folded plate or not. It is easy to modify the opening size afterwards thanks to the feature grip points that you can move. You can also insert a hole in the center of the folded plate and change its type from a round hole to a slotted hole and define its size and length. You can use the navigation tools to rotate around the folded plate and check the results. You can use a dedicated command to unfold these elements within the 3D model to see how it looks once unfolded. Advanced Steel can generate the shop drawing by using a ready-to-use template available in the Quick Documents dialog. The DWG file is automatically created and contains the unfolded representation labeled and dimensioned. And an isometric view shows the plate folded for a better understanding of what has to be fabricated at the workshop.